Hello guys, welcome back. This is Adhay, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. We're gonna try some lashes. Yes, lashes. You guys know how much I love lashes, especially trying different kinds of styles. If you're interested, then keep on watching. And if you don't, we're only going to try 4 different styles for today. You know, trying to keep it light and easy for you guys to get all the details about each and every pair. As always, we're gonna start off with the more subtle lashes, and we're gonna work our way into our more volume, lengthy lashes. Okay, the lightest one are these two. Are the ones that we're gonna start off with. Excuse the noise outside. There is construction happening outside my mansion, so yeah, sorry about that. I will leave every single lash that I use today linked down in the description box, and I will also leave some timestamps for you guys that want to just get straight to the point. All of these lashes I feel have a great price range for the amount of lashes that you get. I'm always trying to look for the best quality with the best price. While I let this dry up a little bit, I do have to mention that there has been some lashes that when I showcase them, like, it doesn't take much time and then they sell out. I want you guys to get what I'm showing. Hopefully the vendors have enough for you guys to get your hands on them, because some of these lashes are really nice and for a great price. We're going to see how these look. These are so cute. Honestly, in the packaging, they didn't have that flareness or that fluffiness. It looked just straight for me, but now when I put it on, they do have some fluff to them, and I think they're gonna be my favorite. Let's go ahead and put the other one on. So cute. This pair seems to be lighter than this one, but as I always tell you guys in my videos, what happens with these lashes is that they're not 100% similar within each other. So as long as they're like an 80-85% similarity, I think they're like just good. This will need me to just curl it just a bit more because it does look lighter. What do we think? The next pair of lashes are these. So right away, I do see that they look very fluffy, a little more than the first one that we tried. They look very promising. They do. They look really good. So let's hope that they do exceed our expectations. Wow. They look stunning. Stunning. Hold on, let me go ahead and put the other one on. They are so pretty. I love them. I do. I do very much. I think maybe I needed to cut a little bit off of this one, just a tad bit of this side, but overall, I love them a lot. They are very pretty, you guys. The next lashes have more volume, are more full, and they look like this. Still in the same type of angle, catty eye, foxy eye, but it looks like they have more volume and more lashes overall. So let's go ahead and try them. You know, something that I noticed right now is that although these lashes have more volume and are more full, their band doesn't feel stiff whatsoever. They feel very flexible. Wow. Although they are, like I said, a lot of volume and very full, they feel comfortable on my eye. They do. They are very nice. They're full, lengthy, and they look nice. Wow. They are pretty. They are so pretty. Wow. If you are all about that full glam lashes, these are it. They are. Without nothing on my eyes, they still look amazing. You know how some lashes, they're very full and very lengthy, that sometimes you need to have some type of eyeshadow behind them, but these, no, they look nice. Again, I'm talking about more full and more lengthy for what I'm used to. You know what I mean? Because like I've always mentioned, this could be your all day, every day, and that's fine. And this would be your lightest pair. But for me, these are full. They are very pretty. Now, last but not least are these lashes right over here. I feel these are definitely really long, super long. Maybe not as full as the previous ones by the looks of it, maybe, or they're probably around the same, but these definitely look longer and they look more rounded. These feel less flexible as the previous one. Oy. Looking at these right off the package, they do look very long and very full. So let's see how they overall look. Yeah, I'll give you guys my honest thoughts based on my preference. These are very long. I was shocked. I'm just dropping everything. Also, I didn't have to cut nothing off. They fit just right on my eye. Wow. They are long. Wow. They are. But look how it opens up my eye compared to this side. How do they look? Do you like them? No? Yes? Maybe so? Okay, let's go try this one. Whoa. Also, something that I have to mention is that this pair, both of the lashes look almost 100% similar with each other, and that is really good. Sometimes there are pairs that don't look as similar within each other, so having them look very similar, nice. Points to these lashes. They are for sure out of my comfort zone, but they don't look bad. They do not look bad. Which one was your favorite? For me, I think my favorite one would be the second pair. 100% that would be my favorite out of the 4. And then I did like number 1 and I did like number 3, and number 4, mixed emotions. Overall, these lashes had their own little uniqueness to them, from the lightest to the more full lashes. I will leave all the lashes used in this video linked down below in the description box. Remember that sometimes these lashes tend to sell out pretty quick, so if you really like one of them or all of them, get them. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is always greatly appreciated. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.